Monkey moth. Eupterotidae is a family of moths, commonly known as the monkey moths. These moths are part of the Lepidoptera order and are primarily found in Africa, Asia, and parts of the Indo-Pacific region. Monkey moths are often medium to large-sized moths, with wingspans ranging from 3 to 15 centimeters, depending on the species. They are known for their striking and intricate wing patterns, which often include various shades of brown, grey, and white. Some species may have eye-like markings on their wings to deter predators. Monkey moths typically have furry or hairy bodies. Similar to many other moth species, monkey moths undergo complete metamorphosis, consisting of egg, larva caterpillar, pupa cocoon, and adult stages. The caterpillars of monkey moths are often well camouflaged and feed on the leaves of various plants. During the pupal stage, the caterpillar undergoes metamorphosis inside a protective cocoon before emerging as an adult moth. Monkey moths inhabit a range of ecosystems, including forests, woodlands, and grasslands. Depending on the species, they are primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions of Africa, Asia, and the Indo-Pacific. Monkey moths play a role in their ecosystems as pollinators of various flowering plants